How to get free rewards from TEMU. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to get free rewards from TEMU, open the TEMU application on your device. Make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the U option in the bottom center of your screen and then tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. You will see the option for 5 free gifts there. Tap on the Get Now option below that. You will now see a bunch of items that you can claim for free. Tap on the Pick It option from the items that you want. You can choose up to 5 items. Once you are done picking items, tap on Confirm option and now enter your shipping address. You can see I will have to pay $0 for the items that I have added to my cart. Proceed further to checkout, and this is how you can get free rewards from TEMU. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.